What's up, everyone? This is Lane from Trend Friend. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to use custom indicator candle coloring, as well as change your candle colors, change your candle type, stuff like that. I get a lot of questions from customers because I have multiple indicators that use custom candle coloring, and a lot of people don't know how to get that to work properly. So first thing you want to do if you're using an indicator that has custom candle coloring, you can see if I click on that, then they start to show up. But if I click back here, the regular candle coloring shows back up. So first thing you want to do is you want to click these three dots next to the name of the indicator, hover over visual order, and then click bring to front. Now if I click anywhere around the chart, it's showing up above everything else. That's also going to keep the candles on top of visually. They will be on top of these, like these order block indicator lines. So that way your other indicators don't cover up your candle coloring. So you always want to make sure that you have your anything with candle coloring set to bring to front. Next thing is you'll notice that if I hover over the price line or if I click on it, then the candles go back to normal color. So if you ever have an issue with that after you've done this, that's probably the issue. And then you just click anywhere else on the chart and it'll go back to normal. Now, if you just want to change your candle coloring, you click the nut up there. That's the chart settings icon. And you have all of these other tabs, but in the symbol tab, this is where you're going to have your candle colors. This is for up candles on the left and down candles on the right. You can turn all of those off. I personally, so if you have this line on, which you can get to in scales and lines, and then symbol line right there. So if you have that line on, then you'll always know where price is at if your indicator candle coloring starts to lag at all. But if you don't have that on, then it is very useful to leave either the body or the borders on. Now I'll show you what that looks like. So borders is just going to be the outline of the candle body. So if your indicator ever starts to lag, you'll at least be able to see where price is at. I personally like using the body instead. So you have like kind of a solid color back there. And that'll just help if you ever get an indicator lagging a little bit, which will happen sometimes, especially if it has a lot of calculations to run. But that's just a quick little tip to make that easier on you. Otherwise, you can always just keep those off completely. Use your regular candle coloring from your indicator, and then go to scales and lines and turn on line in this symbol tab here. And then you'll always know where price is currently at if you ever get any lagging issues. So that's it on changing your candle colors. Of course, you can, if you do have these on and you're not using indicator candle coloring, you just go in here and switch these to whatever you want. You can also set custom candle colors in here, click add, and then that will add it to your panel here that you can easily select and use for all of these. Up candles on the left, down candles on the right, and you can also color bars based on the previous close by choosing that. So that's it on the candle coloring. Last thing is if you want to change your candle type to Heiken Ashi or something, you can just switch that up here by clicking on that and then clicking on any of these available candle types. Hope that helps. Thanks.